Welcome back everybody. It's about Kevin, this is KLS, and today we will be back into another NFL player. This NFL player is called Odell Beckham. Is Beckham? It is Odell Beckham. Correct me if I'm wrong. Odell Beckham. So he is an awesome catcher, I've heard. Yeah, I don't know much about this guy, so let's watch this video. Please like, share, comment below. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Let's do this. Let's bring it up right about now. So here it is. Let's do this. Okay, so this guy got some. This guy's a dancer. Okay. Hey, it's Beckham. It's Beckham. I just saw it on his jersey. It's Beckham. Yo, the money can catch some boy. I see, I wonder sometimes, you know, how the hell they catch for them boy.
Is the running back. Play action. And Manning's going to heave one.
Yo!
Yo!
I mean, I want to see that. I mean, I want to see that. Epic.
Insane. How do you make that catch?
Oh my goodness.
Manning on third down to the end zone. It's Beckham.
Jalo style. He have it, man. It seems like he love dance too.
Manning, the long ball to Beckham, and that's all she wrote.
Yo, what if catch him go find me? Please stop and walk if I want, G.
80-yard touchdown for the remarkable Odell Beckham Jr.
What? How did him drop? Speed! You can't catch him again, he's gone. He's fast. He's fast. Them, you see that anything with a watch ball. Go far enough from the ball drop.
Resulted in his highest completion percentage of his career, and down he goes.
Move. I don't do that, man. Too SpongeBob.
He's gonna take it the distance.
Oh my god. Yo.
87
Touchdown.
yards.
Yeah. That's sick. That's sick. That's sick. Love that one, name. Love that one, name. Not telling like.
Second and 6. Play fake. Manning, high throw.
Oh, nah, this time. He bring more gun this time.
Third and 2 for the Giants. Manning over the middle. Odell
Get with this time, no. Hey, man, fast, man. Fast, man. Nice, man. Fast.
72 to
You
the
fast,
catch and
man. No
run.
lie, you fast.
Electrifying.
First and goal, quick count, Giants. Eli rolling it, throwing it in
Wow.
zone.
I'm up from 4 this morning.
They said Mr. Magic didn't keep his feet in before his body came down.
Getting some stuff done. So extreme tired. First I was playing game all night last night, so I'm tired. Did you see that? This guy literally was pulling his foot across the ground just to get a touchdown. They should give that. They should give that. Come on, too much effort there. Look, look, look. He was on the floor the entire time. Did they give it? Yes, they gave it. They gave it. They gave it. They gave it. Yeah, this part is really, really interesting. Really interesting. You see, they don't even have outside, because that's clear outside to me. Yeah. 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 No, sir. Oh, man. Too slow, man. Yeah, hey, the back don't even throw me down. Don't even run me down. Yes, man. Oh, yeah, it's long jump. What is Jimmy jump? The way I'm coming in. Yes, sir. No, hey, we are different. Hey, it's literally far for two.
Touchdown.
I'm trying to push him out too late, though.
Good run back, and Prescott had 2 interceptions in 12 games, 2 tonight, and that's Beckham making the catch. And off to the races he goes. Carr chasing him down.
Hey, fast, huh?
Touchdown Giants. They take
You
the lead.
fast, man. More. Yeah. You fast, man. I'm not gonna lie, you fast, man. Speed and best attribute.
He's done it again. Wow. Touchdown Giants.
When do I go?
18-yard play to Marshall.
Okay, let's continue. I didn't even know what he
This
did.
one for Beckham has to wait. Got his feet down. Touchdown. What a
You
catch.
can touch on? You see him push me over and foot touch
Flag
again.
is down on the far side of the field. Where does Manning go? To the corner. Pass is caught for the touchdown, Beckham.
Here's Beckham looking to throw. Wide open. It's Barkley. Inside the 20. Still going. Into the end zone. Touchdown.
Too much, man.
Wanted the Giants to go downfield a little bit more. How about that? Second down and 9. As Manning fires, looking for Beckham in the end zone. There is a flag, and Beckham makes the catch for a Giants touchdown. Giants must get to the 35. As Manning fires downfield, looking for Beckham. He draws a flag, and he makes the catch. With Greg Strowman defending.
Kick some boy for 1 minute, kick so many ball in him.
Third down and 5. To the end zone. Did he come down in bounds is a question for Odell Beckham Jr. And it's signaled a touchdown.
What the fuck? Mad money.
Strong hands. Wayne Gallman Jr. in for the first time today. They're going to let Odell Beckham Jr. look to throw it. He's done it once. He's got a man wide open. It's caught for the touchdown. The second touchdown pass of the year from Beckham. He hits Russell Shepard. And the Giants have...
You have a limited amount of passes. You got a limited amount of passes. I don't even know. But that's the end of the video for now. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'm Kevin, this is KLS, and that's another NFL reaction video. NFL is a very awesome sport, no lie about that, no doubt about that. Not better than football though, but oh my god, this is terrible here now. Dang, I need to go inside soon. It's getting crazy out there, man. Okay, in Jamaica, the time is very, very hot right now. So be inside the house, the fan can't help you, man. Actually outside now, with a sheet behind me blocking the sun. The sun is hot. I know the breeze is blowing. So yeah. Thanks for watching this video. I'm Kevin, this is KLS. And remember, please like, share, comment below what you think about this video. Also subscribe to my channel so you can get notifications of all my future videos. Also, a link will be in the description where you can find my game channel, KLS Gaming. I also play games on that channel, Brawlhalla, Warframe, all the different types of games. You can even go there and make hundreds of games that I will look for them and play them. Yeah, I will do that for real. So, peace out, people. Bye.